ever read the title of a power book that seemed like it would be a great read, only to buy it and realize that the title is the best thing about it? Have you ever passed on a book because the title didn't exactly grab you, only to find out a month later that the book was great? Well, here's what's up. I'm Kenny DuBose, and on this channel, I'll be doing overviews of power books that'll help you hack life's challenges, obstacles, and pitfalls. No more guesswork. My overviews will help you decide whether this book is for you, your family, or your team. What? I believe that reading doesn't need to be a laborious endeavor, aka boring. So I'll be breaking down the titles, the characters, even the purposes, so hopefully you'll be able to pick better books to read and or listen to and get back to enjoying the book's journey. And if you're into coffee, I'll also be serving up coffee suggestions of little-known companies and some well-known companies from around the world. So if you're into ebooks, audiobooks, a good old hardcover, or even paperbacks, consider subscribing. You know what to do it. You weren't even going to introduce me, were you? They'll meet you later. But what about the reading tips and tricks? I was about to get into that. Look, I'm a little busy right now. I got you. That was my overactive imagination. I'm sure he'll be dropping in on us from time to time. Where was I? Oh, don't act like I'm the only one. Anyway, as I was saying before we were so rudely interrupted, if you're into ebooks, audiobooks, a good old hardcover, or even paperbacks, consider subscribing. And don't forget to ring the bell. That way YouTube can let you know when a power book, a good cup of joe, and reading tips and tricks have been served up. And remember, formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. See you soon.